You asked for it, and we listened. SMA Alliance now offers a self-service option. You can now harness the power of SMA more economically. We will provide the coded templates and posting platform. You would do the grunt work of opening your own accounts with Craigslist, Backpage, and the like, as well as phone verify those accounts. But with our proven templates and posting platform, you will be able to post 4 times the amount of inventory than any other competitors or on your own. Call us now to get started posting more and getting more sales.